Here's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, and yes, this leak might have just spoiled Samsung's surprise. The Fan Edition series has always been about delivering that flagship feel without the flagship price, and the S25 Fan Edition looks set to follow that formula perfectly. New renders shared by WinFuture reveal a design that's instantly recognizable: a sleek flat metal frame, 3 minimalist camera rings on the back, and an Infinity O display with a slightly thicker bottom bezel than its premium siblings. It's clean, it's modern, and for many Galaxy fans, it's exactly what they've been waiting for. On paper, the S25 Fan Edition packs solid flagship light specs. The leak points to a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 8 gigs of RAM, and at least 128 gigs of storage. Powering it all is a 4,900 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, meaning you'll easily get a full day of use with plenty left in the tank. The phone is expected to weigh just over 192 grams and measure 161.3 x 76.6 millimeters, giving it a solid premium feel without being oversized. Now let's talk about the part that's sparking debate: the chipset. Many were hoping for Samsung's full Exynos 2400 for a true generational leap, but this leak suggests the phone will use the Exynos 2400E, the same processor found in last year's Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. For hardcore performance enthusiasts, that might feel like Samsung is playing it safe, but for most users, it should still deliver smooth performance and easily outpace mid-range options like the Galaxy F56. Camera fans won't be left out either. The triple rear setup reportedly includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. Expect sharp shots, solid zoom, and the versatility the Fan Edition lineup is known for. On the software side, the phone is expected to ship with Android 16 running Samsung's latest One UI 8, keeping it right in line with the newest flagships. As for style, the leak highlights a sleek jet black finish, understated, premium, and bound to be a fan favorite. Rumors also suggest up to 4 color options at launch, giving users more ways to express their style. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed a release date yet, but whispers point to a September unveiling. If the pricing rumors are accurate, European buyers could see it land at €679, keeping it firmly in the affordable flagship category. So the big question is this: with a familiar design, proven specs, and a price that undercuts the S25 Plus, is the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition the real sweet spot for Galaxy fans? Or is Samsung playing it just a little too safe? What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.